Daily English Talks. Weekend morning routine at home.
Good morning, Daniel. I woke up early even though it's the weekend because the sunlight was coming through the curtains.
Good morning, Anna. I heard you moving around in the kitchen and I could smell the fresh coffee, so I decided to get up too.
I thought it would be nice to start the weekend slowly and peacefully instead of rushing like we usually do on weekdays.
That sounds perfect because I really need a relaxing morning after such a busy and stressful week at work.
While the coffee was brewing, I opened the windows to let some fresh air into the house because the weather feels so nice today.
I noticed the cool breeze when I walked into the living room, and it immediately made me feel calm and refreshed.
On weekends, I like to water the plants first because it makes me feel productive without feeling pressured.
That's a good habit, and I think taking care of the plants helps us appreciate the small, peaceful moments at home.
After watering them, I usually tidy up the living room a little so the house feels clean and comfortable.
I can help you with that because it only takes a few minutes when we do it together.
Thank you. That would be great because teamwork always makes simple chores feel lighter and faster.
By the way, what are you planning to make for breakfast this morning since we have more time than usual?
I was thinking about making pancakes with fresh fruit because we rarely have time to cook something special during the week.
That sounds delicious, and I can prepare the fruit while you mix the batter in the kitchen.
I really enjoy cooking slowly on weekends because I can listen to music and not worry about the clock.
I agree, and maybe we can play our favorite playlist to make the kitchen feel even more lively and cheerful.
While the pancakes are cooking, I like to clean the counter so everything stays organized and neat.
I appreciate that because a clean kitchen makes breakfast feel even more enjoyable and relaxing.
After breakfast, I usually sit on the sofa with a cup of coffee and read a few pages of my book.
That sounds peaceful, and I might join you with my tablet to read some news or interesting articles.
On weekends, I try not to check my work emails because I want to fully enjoy my free time at home.
That's a smart decision because weekends should be about rest, hobbies, and spending time together.
Sometimes I also like to do a short morning workout to feel energized for the rest of the day.
If you are doing a workout, I might join you because exercising together makes it more fun and motivating.
We can follow a simple home workout video that doesn't take too long but still makes us sweat a little.
That's a good idea because I want to stay active even when I'm enjoying a lazy weekend morning.
After exercising, taking a warm shower feels incredibly refreshing and helps me feel ready for the day.
I love that feeling too, especially when the house smells like breakfast and fresh air at the same time.
Once we are both ready, we can sit down and talk about our plans for the rest of the weekend.
Yes, we should decide whether we want to stay home and relax or go out for a short walk in the neighborhood.
If the weather stays nice, I would love to go for a walk because it helps clear my mind.
I agree. And we can stop by the small bakery on the corner to buy something sweet for later.
That sounds wonderful because I enjoy simple weekend traditions like that.
Me too. And I think these small routines make our weekends feel special and meaningful.
But before we go out, I want to quickly fold the laundry so it doesn't stay in the basket all day.
I'll help you with that because it's easier and faster when we work side by side.
Thank you. I really appreciate how we share responsibilities, even on relaxing days.
Of course, I believe that sharing chores makes our home feel balanced and peaceful.
After everything is done, we can reward ourselves by watching one episode of our favorite show.
That sounds like a perfect plan because weekends are meant for both productivity and relaxation.
I love how different weekend mornings feel compared to weekday mornings.
Yes, during the week we rush through everything, but on weekends we can actually enjoy each moment.
I think slowing down helps us appreciate our home and the time we spend together.
I completely agree because these quiet mornings create beautiful memories for us.
Sometimes I also like to do a short morning workout to feel energized for the rest of the day.
That's a healthy habit, and maybe I should start doing the same to reflect on my week.
Weekend mornings give us the space to think, relax, and reset our minds.
Yes, they allow us to recharge our energy before a new busy week begins.
I'm really glad we decided to keep our mornings simple instead of filling them with too many activities.
Me too, because simplicity often brings the most happiness.
Let's promise to protect this peaceful routine every weekend if possible.
That's a promise, and I will try my best not to schedule unnecessary work on Saturdays or Sundays.
Thank you. That means a lot to me because I value our quiet time together.
I value it too, and I think it strengthens our relationship in small but meaningful ways.
Now let's enjoy our pancakes before they get cold.
Yes, they look fluffy and delicious, and I can't wait to taste them.
After breakfast, maybe we can sit by the window and enjoy the sunshine for a while.
That sounds peaceful, and we can talk about our dreams and goals for the future.
I love weekend mornings like this because they feel calm, warm, and full of happiness.
I feel the same way, and I hope every weekend morning can be as relaxing and beautiful as today.